YouTube, what it do? I'm Legendarius, and this is a YouTube exclusive. All right, guys, so I finally got my Babyliss FX1 clipper in, and I cannot wait to unbox this thing. So without further ado, let's get to it. And here it is. The wait is over. The wait is over. Ha ha. The wait is over. No, I'm just joking. But seriously, the wait is over, man. Here we have the Babyliss Pro Gold FX1. And I know you guys may have already seen this clipper, and it's not necessarily brand new. It just dropped in November. So I think it dropped November. I think it dropped last month. Either way, man, this is the new system from Babyliss with the one battery system. I'm super excited to use this clipper. I'm thinking about switching to the whole line, but I guess we'll see. So now that the wait is over, let's open this thing up and let's see what we got. All right. Dang. Feel like I'm about to break that thing off. Ugh! Talk about the barbell grip. Sheesh. I mean, come on, guys. Why is it in there so tough? Oh my God, I think I broke it. I mean, this thing is in here, y'all. I can't even lie to you. This thing, boy. Oh, there it is. Whoo! Got a little workout on there with this bad boy. You know what I'm saying? Sheesh. Man, but wow, as soon as I grabbed it, this thing is super light. There's no battery in there, but man, I'm really digging that. The weight on it, man, it feels good. Oh, that new finger rest, that feels good. Wow. All right. So we got the clipper in there. We got the battery showing you which way to put this battery in there. Up, I'm assuming, for the clipper. Down if we're putting it in the charging stand. Whoop! Whoopsie! It did come with the charging stand. That's how you know joints be authentic, man, when you have bloopers and stuff like that in your video. But anyway, we got that charging stand right here, and boom, that's what it's exactly telling us is we need to line it up. Boom, right there. So this is that new FX battery, and look at that, my joint is all the way charged. Out the bizox, all the way charged. Shout out Babyliss. All right, so now we gotta figure out how we gonna get this stuff up out of here though. Cause boy, I don't wanna, oh, okay, let's take that off right there. Let's see, okay. Now we getting that, hey, now we got some motion. Okay, dang, that thing is in there. Look, I done hit my camera and all kind of stuff. All right, so of course we got that charging block. Boom, we got that. We're gonna bust down these premium guards. This is what I'm talking about, is that premium guard, that number 2, that 1.5. Got the half. Oh, that's just the clipper guard. The clipper guard is fly too compared to the other ones. The 1, the 4, and I'm assuming the 3. Okay, the 4 and the 3. Okay, cool. I can work with that. Of course, we got that traditional screwdriver. Got that clipper oil, blade brush, charger port. So that joint is a USB or a USB-C. I think that's how you can use it on here. Yeah. And I think we got, it don't come with the traditional one. I guess it don't come with the traditional, but you can use your traditional too on there. You got your traditional from any of the other ones. Boom, you can pop it right there. Bam, I can plug in here and I'm ready to go. Man, I gotta turn this bad boy on though. so we can see what it, oh, hold on before we forget. Don't forget that extra cam follower. All right. Make sure I'm sliding this bad boy in there right. Man, and it's still light, even with the battery in there. Woo! And it's sounding sweet. This thing is sounding sweet. That lever is pretty fire. If you can hear that lever click. That's pretty fire. It could be a little tighter. One thing I did notice is that there is no replacement for the bottom. The dentin hook is hidden right there. So that's pretty fire. The battery pops out pretty easily. It don't seem like it's gonna get caught. Like you're probably not gonna be cutting and accidentally hit that button. You actually gotta hit the button. Like releasing your a magazine. So you do gotta line it up with the arrows. Arrows do have to be lined up. And boom, you're in business. But man, that thing is sweet. All right, guys, so I've used this clipper for a couple days now, and I've cut several clients, and I just gotta be honest about a couple things with this clipper. It's, how do you say, this thing is amazing. So let's talk about a couple things that I absolutely love about this clipper and some of the features. The new MIM blade. So MIM is going to stand for metal injection molded. This blade is going to have a built-in oil reservoir, which is going to help with constant lubrication. What that's going to do is keep the blade at a lower temperature overall. So when this thing is running, it's going to stay low. The next thing about it is that you can zero gap this blade. As you can see, I have mine just about zeroed. That stretch arm on there. You got a lot more blade to play with in that fade area, which is really good when you're doing a nice crispy fade. You got a little more room to play with that to get that blend nice and precise. So the next thing I absolutely love about this clipper is going to be the new N1 brushless motor. This thing has dual ball bearings, which is going to help with efficiency, and it has 6,800 RPM. That is strong and powerful. It has a new interchangeable lithium battery pack, okay, with a quick release button. This battery is going to have 2.5 hours of runtime on it. It has a 4-stage power light indicator. So if you tap that right on the bottom of that, you can see I'm at about 50%. I've been using it today, but it's amazing that you can just tap that and see exactly when your battery needs to be charged or swap out a new battery. They've improved the all metal housing on this thing with a ergonomic finger rest. So if you can see right at the back of that, it's got a little indentation. I know the clipper's a little shiny off the light glare there, but it's an indentation there where your finger just rests nice and smooth right in there. If you're familiar with the Snap FX version of this clipper, it has that removable pocket door so that you can get in there, get your clipper nice and clean, snap that bad boy right back on. It has that classic curled metal barbell grip, but this time they've tapered the end of that. They tapered that end piece there, so it makes it a little more sexy and a little more sleek. The base is nice and small. It fits nice in the corner of your station. We're lucky enough to get 6 premium guard comb attachments with this clipper, so that's always a plus. So if you like this video, like, share, or hit that subscribe button that you see in the bottom corner of all my videos to subscribe to my channel and stay up to date on any content releases I have coming out.